So for the zip tie method, I take a zip tie, make sure that I put it where when you pull through that it's going to be not, the knob's not going to be touching the head. So I take it, you kind of look through the middle, find the middle space. I hook it first under the string, and then I just kind of weave it through the mesh. Going in and out, there's no like specific amount you need, just as long as it goes in and out to hold. And then make sure that when you go out that you're also under this piece, because once it goes on their head, it's gonna make sure that it secures these pieces down under the pony. Same as before, hair up, pins.
And they have a lot of money behind them.
Is that good, Harper?
They're keeping Jeff on as head brewer, and they're keeping all the staff.
Same for the back. I pinch it with my hand, so I'm still holding the front clip and the back clip, and pull. Good, Harper, or too loose? You can do it either way. Did I pull your hair? I do the wraparound. Just to give a little added, sorry, security for mine. And I hook it around the pin, around the knob. I just hook it around there to kind of hold it and then pin it. Same as sewing to hold it. And then, you okay, babe?
Yeah, I just had chills.
Then you'll see on this side, it's still a little lifted. Take this piece and you want to make sure you get under the hair ties. It'll go along the scalp. You kind of can't tell where it's going to come out. You're going to push until it comes out the other side. Sometimes you got to kind of feel for it. Sometimes it wants to go up in the bun instead of...
Oh. Yeah, it was going to come out like that.
We talked to like the bar manager and Jeff and stuff. He sounded, it's good, and Jeff has a lot of strategy because he's working hard.
Can't find it.
I know. Did you eat before coming, Jackson?
I don't feel it on my head.
Did you eat before?
I try not to.
You don't feel it sliding?
No.
Oh, I know where it's going.
Oh, I can feel it now.
You can feel it now? Did it come out though?
I think so.
Of course it doesn't work the one time. It's going up into her bun.
Is it?
I can feel it on my head.
Oh, here it is.
Oh, okay, so I couldn't find it. Okay, sorry. It usually is not that complex.
Yeah.
So when you pull it through this way, you're gonna take this, stick it through the thing, and as you go, don't tighten it too much. You wanna go slow when you tighten so that they can tell you, okay, it's good.
That's way.
That's good?
Yeah.
Okay, and then I let them test it to make sure that it's
Good. I
not
think a
going
little bit tight.
a little bit tighter. Because if you go too tight the first time, you got to pull it off and start over.
Ooh.
So you want to have them tell you, okay,
That's good.
and then you can always do a little bit more.
It's good.
Is it wobbly or good? Okay. Then you just cut this piece off. Just cut it. They're not going to see it, and you don't see it on the top. I zip tie the bow too. I slide it under where the hair tie is. This is a really long one, but you can use a smaller one for that. I zip tie the bow in. You put it where I'm gonna hook it, and then you could put it in the middle. Oops. Okay, where's it? Does it feel right? Mm-hmm. Is it the right spot?
I love this bow so much.
And then you cut that off, and the bow's not gonna go. It's not gonna
Anywhere.
slide.
Yeah.
It's going nowhere.
Perfect. Yeah.
And then you cut this piece off. And you're done.
Wow, look at that. 5 minutes. 5 minutes, 6 minutes, really.
And you're good.
Perfect. Thank you. Which way do you